Aloha, and welcome back to the Radiate Health and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Christine V. Ross, and today I want to chat to you about understanding inflammation. You see, recently I have received several questions about how to manage and reduce inflammation naturally. It's a topic that's becoming more and more relevant as we strive for healthier lifestyles. So you may be asking, what is inflammation? Before diving into what inflammation is, it's important to understand that there are two different types of inflammation, acute and chronic. Think of inflammation as your body's alarm system. When you get hurt or sick, your immune system sends out an alert, causing inflammation to help you heal. This is acute inflammation. But what happens when the alarm doesn't go off? That's when chronic inflammation can quietly hang around, leading to various health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, cancer, and even cognitive decline and dementia in older adults. So first, let's talk about acute inflammation. Imagine you stub your toe and suddenly it's red, swollen, and hot. These are classic signs: redness, heat, swelling, pain, and sometimes you can't move it as well. It's your body's way of saying, hey, something's wrong here, let's fix it. But chronic inflammation is sneakier. It doesn't shout. It whispers, slowly wearing us down. It's important to recognize the signs and symptoms of inflammation so you can take action to reduce it. Some of the common signs are fatigue, just feeling tired all the time, no matter how much you sleep, and body aches and pains, those constant nagging aches in your muscles and joints, and digestive issues like bloating, gas, diarrhea, or that constipation that just won't go away, as well as skin problems, eczema, or acne flare-ups that seem to come out of nowhere. Also, frequent infections like catching colds or the flu more often than usual, and mood changes, feeling down, anxious, or struggling with brain fog. Also, weight changes, unexplained weight gain or loss, and insomnia, just finding it hard to fall asleep or stay asleep. Certain areas can also give us clues, such as swollen, painful joints might hint at arthritis, or stomach pain and cramping could signal an inflammatory bowel issue. Shortness of breath might be linked to respiratory conditions like asthma. Additionally, if you're feeling heavy and noticing water weight gain, it could be a sign that inflammation is affecting your body's fluid balance. And let's not forget about the bigger picture. High blood pressure, elevated blood sugar, and high cholesterol can all be signs that our body is fighting the silent battle. So let's talk about some natural ways to keep it in check. First and foremost, let's dive into the anti-inflammatory diet. Our diet plays a crucial role in either promoting or reducing inflammation in our bodies. Some key foods you can include into your daily meals are fruits and vegetables. Aim for a rainbow of colors on your plates, like berries, leafy greens, tomatoes, and citrus fruits are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that help combat inflammation. And include some healthy fats. Incorporate sources of omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. These fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. And add some whole grains. Swap out refined grains for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These have more fiber and nutrients that can help reduce inflammation. And spice up your food with turmeric and ginger, cumin, cinnamon, basil, and parsley, all kinds of spices. They are all powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Add them to your meals for extra flavor and health benefits. And speaking of anti-inflammatory foods, I am excited to share that I currently have an abundance of ulu, also known as breadfruit, which is a fantastic anti-inflammatory fiber-filled fruit. I've been exploring new recipes featuring ulu and recently posted a video on harvesting and processing this incredible fruit. So be on the lookout for ulu recipes on my website, radiatehealthandwellness.com. Whether you're looking for inspiration or specific meal ideas, you'll find a variety of dishes made with whole foods designed to help you reduce inflammation and feel your best. So now that we talked about the foods to eat, let's talk about the foods that can sneakily stoke the fires of inflammation in our bodies. Try to limit, or better yet, to avoid, first off, sugar. This one is tough because sugar is everywhere, but cutting back can make a huge difference. However, please don't switch to artificial sweeteners. Even though the FDA says they're safe, other countries say they are not. And there's evidence they can affect inflammation pathways. Plus, artificial sweeteners often contain fillers like maltodextrin, which make up to 95 to 90% of the product, or anti-caking agents like silica. And studies show these fillers could also cause inflammation in your guts and alter your gut's microbiome. Instead, in moderation, try natural sweeteners like honey or pure maple syrup, not that corn syrup flavored maple stuff, or date paste. And second, avoid fast food and processed foods. You know, those convenient packaged foods with long ingredient lists that you can't pronounce, and the foods from restaurants with aroma of greasy French fries. These are often the wrongdoers. These foods are typically high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives that can fuel inflammation. Try to stick with whole, unprocessed foods whenever you can. Cooking at home with fresh ingredients allows you to control what goes into your meals and helps you avoid hidden inflammatory ingredients. So third, refined cooking oils and partially hydrated oils like sunflower, peanut, corn, canola, palm, cottonseed, and soybean oils, they can be tricky. They seem to be lurking everywhere as well, in processed foods, packaged snacks, baked goods, and even some restaurant dishes. You'll find them in your favorite chips, crackers, and even in that healthy granola bar. They're also commonly used in margarine, salad dressings, and many types of fried foods. So it's worth checking out that ingredient label and opting for healthier alternatives like olive oil or avocado oil whenever you can. The next big thing to do is feed your gut microbiome. Supporting your gut health is crucial for managing inflammation. It's amazing how a healthy gut can make you feel so much better overall. One of the best ways to achieve this is by incorporating prebiotics and probiotics into your diet. Prebiotics are in foods like leeks, garlic, onions, asparagus, apples, bananas, berries, ground up flax seeds, honey, and Whole grains like oats are fantastic for feeding the good bacteria in your gut. Probiotics are found in yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, sourdough, and other fermented foods. These are your gut's best friends. As you eat, also pay attention to how food makes you feel. This might be a game changer. Everyone's body is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. Take note of what gives you energy and what makes you feel sluggish or bloated. For example, gluten and lactose might be fine for some people, but can cause inflammation in others. It's all about tuning into your body signals. Lastly, let's touch on a couple more natural methods to combat inflammation, like reducing stress. Stress has a sneaky way of increasing inflammation. I've found that incorporating calming practices into my daily routine, like mindfulness, meditation, or yoga, makes a huge difference. These activities can lower stress-related chemicals in your body, which help to reduce inflammation. Also, exercise. Regular physical activity can help reduce inflammation. Activities like walking, cycling, and swimming are excellent options. Even just 20 minutes of walking each day can have a powerful anti-inflammatory effect. And get enough sleep. I can't stress enough how important sleep is. Forget bragging about being able to function with only a few hours of sleep each night. You are doing your body more harm than good. Lack of sleep can trigger inflammation and cause other health concerns. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. And if you're sleep deprived, it's okay to allow yourself to take a short daytime nap. Just try not to overdo it. 30 minutes is usually right. And last but not least, quit smoking. If you smoke or are around secondhand smoke, quitting can make a significant difference. I know it's tough, but reducing exposure to these harmful chemicals can really help. Supporting loved ones in their efforts to quit smoking is important too. So there you have it, some effective natural ways to reduce inflammation. So now you may be wondering why you should opt for these natural ways to reduce inflammation rather than reaching for an over-the-counter pill. You know, the over-the-counter options like aspirin, ibuprofen, which is Advil, and naproxen. Not sure if I'm even saying that right, but it's Aleve. While these medications can be great for acute inflammation, provide quick relief, and effectively reduce swelling, they often come with side effects. Long-term use of these anti-inflammatory drugs can lead to issues such as stomach ulcers, kidney damage, and an increased risk of heart disease. Natural methods, on the other hand, can help manage inflammation without these risks and come with additional health benefits. For instance, an anti-inflammatory diet can support heart health, boost the immune system, and improve digestion. Embracing a lifestyle that includes natural anti-inflammatory strategies can lead to sustainable long-term health benefits. It encourages a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, all of which contribute to overall well-being. Incorporating these natural methods into your daily routine can be a game changer for managing inflammation and improving your quality of life. By making these lifestyle changes, you can take significant steps towards managing your health naturally. It's all about small, consistent efforts that add up over time. If you are interested in some tools to assist you in implementing some of these natural methods into your life, please check out my book, Discover the Adventure of You. It is packed with valuable tools and chapters dedicated to areas like meditation, nourishment, overcoming addictions, and developing good sleep habits. Also, keep an eye out for my upcoming book, Health Beams, set to be published on August 22nd. It's all about finding a balanced approach to nutrition, exercise, community, mindfulness, and sustainability to create a long health span. Both books are and will be available on Amazon as well as my website, radiatehealthandwellness.com. Remember, natural methods for managing inflammation can be incredibly effective, often providing holistic benefits that pharmaceuticals can't match. Unlike medications, which may come with side effects or only address symptoms, natural approaches support overall well-being and often lead to more sustainable health improvements. The journey to recognizing and addressing inflammation starts with listening to our bodies. Remember, everyone's body responds differently, so it might take some time to see what works best for you. And if you have any underlying health conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your routine. And if you know someone who could benefit from the tips shared in this podcast, please share it with them. You never know how far your ripple can go. Together, we can create a healthier, more informed community. And I'd love to hear your comments, suggestions for future episodes. And if you have a message you'd like to share, let me know if you are interested in being a guest on the podcast. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to stay updated on the latest episodes. You can also check out my website, radiatehealthandwellness.com, for more resources, recipes, blog posts, and information on health and wellness coaching. So mahalo for tuning in today. And until next time, take care of yourself and continue radiating health and wellness in all that you do.